Imagine your home, newly transformed, refreshed, made new again. Welcome to Independent Bath and Renovations, where you'll find a thoughtful process, expert design, and exceptional results. For over 30 years, we have built long-term relationships with our customers throughout the Greater Edmonton area, protecting their investment with quality home renovations. Over 80% of our business comes from repeat customers and the friends and family they refer. We design and install kitchens the chef will love and your family will cherish, and bathrooms to bring the spa home. And we create gorgeous living spaces that fit your lifestyle, including home additions, outdoor areas, basement developments, walk-in closets, and so much more. Our highly skilled in-house tradespeople are qualified, delivering quality work with flawless finishing. Call us today or visit our showroom at 2856 Calgary Trail Northwest in the Edmonton Home Fair. Inspired solutions, right through installation. That's independent.